Hey, good evening. Map here, Map Investments. Merry Christmas. Just sitting here, relaxing here by the Christmas tree. I said, well, let me do a couple videos, not doing much anyways. Um, it's getting chilly down here in Miami. Gonna drop into the 40s tonight. So I have my hot chocolate and just wanted to go through a couple orders that I've done, do a couple videos. I haven't done a couple videos and wish the new subscribers a Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays. I just got the channel up and running. This week was a short week, another good week, and just winding down. Hopefully finish the year strong next week and looking forward to 2021. So on Thursday and Friday, well, today's Friday, so Wednesday and Thursday. Yesterday was till 1 o'clock. I'm going to talk about a couple stocks that I saw that were moving. So the first one I saw was moving was Endo, ENDP. ENDP, if I'm not mistaken, they do generic medicine. Let me see if I can pull up the chart here. So I developed branded and generic pharmaceutical products in the area of pain management. This been a stock that's been as high as 67, 82, 96, 62, 17, 18, 12. I mean, I got down to, and then the lows one. Look at the chart here. On the daily chart, you can see a big bar here with a lot of volume. It's been kind of trending higher, 91 RSI. I pull up the weekly chart. That's the weekly, and then the monthly. There's the monthly. So there's some buyers in here. The IV rank, if I'm not mistaken, was pretty low. Trade ENDP 13, yeah. So it was pretty low. It was up 76 cents. So it was pretty low. So what I did in here was I did a calendar spread. I did about 5 of them for 50 cents. So basically what I did was I sold the February 8 calls, and I bought the April 8 calls. So you're buying the same strike, you're selling the front month and buying a further out month. So I sold the February 8 call, and I bought the April 8 calls for 50 cents each. I did 5. So I don't know. I can't do it here. I'm not on my laptop. Wish I can show you like an illustration of how the trade would look. Let me see if this would show me here. No, doesn't show you here. I wish I was on my laptop. But basically, if what you want to happen is the stock not to go to you want it to stay under 8 more or less, or it could go to 8. It's not a big deal. If it goes to 8, that's where you make the most of your money, and then you would close it out at the end of that February cycle on those monthlies. But if it doesn't get to it, usually you want to manage it at the front month's expiration. In this case, it would be the February. If you wanted to. Now the thing is, if let's say it's way out of the tent when you do this kind of trade, it looks like a tent. I wish I had the laptop open so so you can see it better on the tent. I don't think on the tasty. Let me see. Choose strategy. Buy calendar, go, and then we're gonna go to February. And we're gonna go to 8. Why can't I move this? It should let me. It should be buy calendar. Okay. Trying to see here. See, okay, so it kind of looks. So you get a picture of it, how it looks. Don't know why it's not letting me pin this on the 8 here. Oh, you know what? Let me do it this way. Sorry for the runaround in the video. I'll show you here better, and then you'll see it on the 10. All right, so I went to the February monthly, and I sold the 8. And then I went to April, and I bought the 8. Okay, so now we should be able to see it on the curve. Okay, so here it is. There's the curve. So basically, this is how it looks. It should be more centered to the middle, to the peak of the curve. But you want to manage it in the front month, which is the red one, which is the one I sold. Now, let's say for any reason it's not profitable and it's below, for example, you can always hang on to your long one that's 112 days out, because if you look at the table, it still gives you time. I'm selling a 56-day one. By January 4th it'll be 45, and then the expected move is 76 cents. So it shouldn't get to $8. And then if you go to April, the expected move is 3. So this is just a cheap way to get into a stock that's trending higher, or you want to make an assumption that's going lower. It's a cheaper way, and you have theta decay working in the front month while you have the back month too. So that's the trade I did in Endo. It looked like it's been moving and trending higher. Endo International, ENDP. Calendar spread to the call side. Thank you. Please like, subscribe, comment below, and I'll be doing some more videos.